Okay, so now we're going to look at naming members of a set. Naming members of the set. So here it is, the question says, name the members of each set. All right, so if you look for A here, it says set A is the set of vowels in an alphabet. And we go on and we have set of whole numbers greater than 5, that's smaller than 10. So the examples that we have here, and they're taken from your Prime Math for Success course book. The examples that we have here are the sets are being described. You just get describe what the set is, but it didn't tell us what or who the members of that set is. So let us look at the first one, vowels in the alphabet. So if A is a set of vowels in the alphabet, what would the members of that set be? That one is quite simple. A, E, I, O, U. So we know that this set A has 5 members, A, E, I, O, and U. All right? So that one is easy. So let's look at this one. B. The set B is whole numbers greater than 5 but smaller than 10. Whole numbers greater than 5. Okay, so what would the members of that set be? All right, greater than 5, we know that we cannot start with 5 because 5 would be equal to 5 and we want greater than. So the members would be 6, 7, 8, 9, and we would not include 10 because 10 is not smaller than 10. 10 is equal to 10. So whole numbers greater than 5 but smaller than 10, the members would be 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, very good. Let's scroll down a bit. Let's look at set of counting numbers smaller than 15. C is a set of counting numbers smaller than 15. Okay, counting numbers. We know the difference between counting numbers and whole numbers. Counting numbers start with 1 while whole numbers start with 0. So set of counting numbers smaller than 15, so we have to start at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We're not going to include 15 in the set because 15 is not smaller than 15. Okay, now let's look at the next set. The next set we have there is set of counting numbers greater than 10. Let's think about that for a while. Greater than 10. Set of counting numbers greater than 10. Is that going to be a finite set, meaning we can count all the members of that set? Or is that set going to be an infinite set, meaning that we can't count them, it just continues on and on? Well, we know counting numbers greater than 10, that's going to be an infinite set. So, but there is a way of saying the members of that set. We can go like this, set of counting numbers greater than 10, 11, 12, 13. Let us say we can go to 14. Then we put 3 dots like this. And that tells us, and then we close it here. That tells us that the set goes on and on and on and on. It's an infinite set. All right. So this is how we would name the members of the set. So let me just put a note here. This is an infinite set. All right. So this is how, if you're asked the question to name members of the set, this is how you're going to do it.